You shouldn't be here, lad. What is this place? It's no place for a living soul.
Be careful. Something doesn't feel right. Oh my God. What is that? It's him. Who? The wheels are completely locked. Look at this corrosion and the moss growing right into the joints. It's been like this for decades. The roots are too thick now. The damage is extensive. Can we save the original metal? Most of it, with careful stripping and reinforcement.
Steady.
All right, Thomas, slow reverse. Looking good. Secured, ready to go. I see some leakage here, gotta mark this. Confirmed. Look at that crack.
The engine pulse is strong.
Minor adjustment required.
Perfect synchronization now. Well done.
A true masterpiece. This is history.
There you go, little friend. Rest well beside the restored Thomas.
Almost done. This bell will shine for the next generation.
Wow, it's so beautiful!
All right, lowering the tempered glass now. Watch the anti-drift locks. Perfect. Enclosure secure, preservation complete. The internal structure is flawless, pure copper, no buildup. Excellent work. Now, on to the next one. The ionization is complete, perfectly clean. Excellent work, looks flawless. Here it is, old boy.
The sound of the city's heart.
Deep
Isn't
within the
this
dense
magnificent?
tropical forests, where mist and vines obscured all traces
Thomas
of time,
looks perfect here in
I
the
found
city.
a forgotten legend lying dormant in the shadows of a dilapidated wooden warehouse. It was Thomas, the world's greatest steam locomotive. Now nothing more than a rusty pile of scrap metal. Its once radiant white porcelain face charred black. Its eye sockets shattered and lifeless. Its iconic blue paint faded beneath rough, dark orange scales. With a fateful one.
Pressure's rising fast. Too fast! I'm engaging the release.
You did it, son. It's ready.
Yeah. Yes, Captain. It's running perfectly.
I've got the crack filled. Let me cool it down and clean it up.
Looks good. Let me know when you're ready to test the pressure. All right, align the brass fitting here. Good, start threading it on. Now the wrench, tighten it down, keep it snug.
The final protective ceramic coating,
Notice the nanoparticles adhering.
creating an astonishing color depth, like transparent liquid glass.
$150 contract from the mysterious old warehouse captain. I began my journey to revive a soul that had slept for decades.
Let's get these
amidst
water
mud and
softening
ashes.
chemicals in.
Each hammer blow against the jammed bolts.
Watch the swirl,
Each
it's working
spark
well.
from the grinding tearing through the thick layer of oxidation. Each stream of bubbling chemicals cleansing away the painful past. I touched the rough metal surface to feel the faint, lingering beat of the colossal machine. From the dismantling of the grease-streaked drive shafts and the sandblast.
Almost done. Almost done. This is gonna look spectacular.
Sandpipe's clear, valve tested, flow looks correct, system operational, check complete.
Well, what do you think of my new uniform? Choo-choo! Here I come!
Steam pressure holding, seals are good, heating system ready. Setting the switch. Copy that, proceeding with the lane change.
Of the chassis to the application of a cool, grey primer coat, Thomas gradually shed its decaying exterior, preparing
Keep back!
for a spectacular
Thomas is coming through now!
transformation.
Move it!
The moment the spray guns
Make
covered
way!
the train's body in a
Get out of the way!
the
Watch
gold
out!
number 1 was imprinted, and the shaft hides were reattached. The entire workshop seemed to burst with a new, proud energy. The resounding train whistle shattered the silence for the first time, and the powerful spray of white steam from the gleaming
Lubrication engaged. Let's see it work. Activating automatic cycle. The oil looks good.
All right, looking good. Thomas looks proud.
Looks good, Thomas. Perfect heat distribution all the way down. Excellent work. It's an honor to share this moment with you all. Enjoy the ride.
Amazing, this is unreal.
Signal of the return of the king on the railway tracks. Having weathered fierce jungle storms and harsh operational challenges, Thomas was no longer a discarded ruin but a glittering treasure under the city lights. Entering the National Museum to the astonishment of millions. This is not just a mechanical restoration project, but an affirmation that even buried under the ashes of oblivion,
Let's light up
with a
this
dedicated
parade.
hand, every legend can once again shine brightly in the sunlight.